Hello, this is Ben for SurvivalGearLogic.com with a look at home remedies for a toothache. Even the best of tooth care cannot always protect you from pain. Toothaches demand immediate relief, but what happens when you can't get to a dentist for the care you need? Consider these home remedies for a toothache until you can obtain professional dental care. Choose soothing washes. Making home remedies for a toothache from items that you have on hand is easier than you think. Try these simple washes. Warm, salty water. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt with warm water in a small glass and rinse, then spit. Salt may not kill bacteria, but it soothes your mucous membranes. Repeat as needed. Brandy, vodka, whiskey, or scotch. Without diluting the alcohol, take a small mouthful and swish it around. You can use your regular mouthwash instead if it contains a lot of alcohol. Baking soda. A tablespoon of baking soda with warm water in a small glass makes an antibacterial rinse for a toothache. You may omit the water and use a damp cotton swab to place soda directly on the painful area. Hydrogen peroxide. Full strength or diluted with water, hydrogen peroxide fizzes when it encounters bacteria, potentially reducing the infection in your mouth. Getting relief with oils. Extracts and oils that you use in meal preparation have properties that make them useful as home remedies for a toothache. Try these aromatic and soothing aids. Vanilla, almond, peppermint, and lemon extracts. Dip a swab or cotton ball into one of these extracts and apply it to the painful area. The alcohol content in extracts produces temporary relief from pain. Oil of oregano. Add a few drops of oil of oregano to a tablespoon of olive oil. Saturate a cotton ball and place it in the affected area. Tea tree oil. Natural chemicals in tea tree oil act as an antiseptic for a toothache. You can put 1 or 2 drops directly on the tooth that hurts, or you can mix it in a small glass of warm water for a rinse. Apple cider vinegar. Wet a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and hold it on the sore tooth. Using favorite seasonings, fruits, and vegetables. The colorful produce that supplies nutrients and fiber for your meals can also provide toothache relief. You probably have most of them in your refrigerator or on your spice rack. Black or cayenne pepper. Apply black pepper full strength or mixed with salt to the sore area. When you use cayenne, mix it with water to make a thick paste if you can stand the heat. Cloves. Your grandparents probably used this remedy for their toothaches. Let a whole clove rest against your sore tooth, or you can use 1 or 2 drops of clove oil. However, too much clove oil can produce a toxic reaction, so go easy. An alternative is to make a paste of ground cloves and olive oil. Cucumber. A fresh slice or a pureed chunk of cucumber can relieve pain temporarily. If your teeth are sensitive to cold, you may want to let the cucumber reach room temperature before using it. As a slice, it brings relief when you hold it in place on the affected area. Pack some pureed cucumber with a little salt around the base of your tooth. Garlic. Release the power of garlic by smashing a clove and applying it to the sore area. Letting it lodge between your cheek and gum keeps it in the right place. You can also mash a clove and add a dash of salt for a pain-relieving paste. Ginger root. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in fresh ginger root provide pain relief when chewed. Lime. Place a wedge of lime on the sore area. Bite into it to release the juice if you can stand the tartness. Vitamin C in limes is more efficient in fighting infection than lemons. Onion. Antibacterial properties in onion eradicate bacteria in your mouth. Cut a fresh onion and crush a few slices to place on your tooth. Plantain leaf. To get the beneficial effects of a plantain leaf, you have to chew it to soften and crush it, then apply it to the sore tooth and hold it there. Peppermint leaves. Chew on some fresh or dried peppermint leaves for temporary pain relief. Alternatively, you can make a tea from them. You may also use peppermint oil to swab the area to reduce soreness and pain. Potato. Peel a fresh potato and hold a raw piece on the affected tooth. If you have lost a crown or a filling, you can use a small piece to cover the exposed area. Tea bag. The tannin in tea leaves can numb the pain of a toothache. Brew a cup and remove the bag while it is still warm. Place the tea bag on the area that hurts. Treating with cold. Ice helps control pain and swelling by slowing the flow of blood to a sore tooth. Place an ice pack on your cheek as often as you need it, but not more than 15 minutes at a time. You can numb the nerve endings in your aching tooth by holding an ice cube directly on it. Ice cream cones are an easy way for children to get relief from pain. Exercising caution. Even though you may have heard that placing aspirin on your tooth can provide relief, resist doing so. The acid in aspirin can damage your teeth and gums. Toothaches have many potential causes, including decay, gum disease, and lost fillings, as well as sinus related and other medical issues. Home remedies for a toothache can often give you temporary relief, but prolonged pain is a serious matter. When toothaches do not respond to these natural remedies, do everything you can to get professional dental help. For more survival tips, the best prices on survival gear, and our 1-year, any reason, no hassle return policy, check out SurvivalGearLogic.com. Thanks for watching.